You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this medication, this molecule, if you want to learn more medical terms pronounced that are confusing and clarify their pronunciation. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. In English, it's pronounced as glyco, glyco, like glycose, glycopyrrolate, pyrrolate. So it's not pyrrolate, generally speaking at least. Glycopyrrolate is the correct pronunciation in English, glycopyrrolate. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.